Hello, in this video we want to talk about CSS font properties. Font properties in CSS. Difference between sans serif and sans serif fonts. This is font properties and font family. How to define font family? We have different font families. For example, this is Times New Roman, Georgia, Arial, and different font families. Here, font family property used to define the font family. Let's see the example. Here we have the HTML, this is the font, and here we have font family. This one, the first one, is Times New Roman. See, we define the font family Times New Roman. Here we define the font family is Arial. This is also the font family is Lucida Console. So this is the font family. How you define font family? What is the tag? The tag is the property is font family colon and the font family value. If you change the value, it will be to another value and the font will be changed. This is how you change the font family. Font family, this is how you do it. We have another properties, font styles. What are the styles? We have normal, italic, and this is the least used one. This looks like italic. So let's see the example. How to define font style. This is an 3 paragraph we have and 3 different font style we have. How to define font style? Just write font style is normal. The first one is normal. The second one is italic. The third one is oblique. So this is the least used one. So just use this one. So this is how you define font style. Font style. And follow the value. We have font size. Also, this is another font property. So we can define the font size. Here, font size property use the set of font size. Font size in pixels. In this example, we can use pixel. Here in this example, it's use pixel. Font size is 40 pixels. Font size is 30 and font size is 14. So here, heading 1, font size is 40 px. Let me change it to 90. The font change. Let's 30 smaller a little. See here, almost the same as this one. So let me change this one to 39. So this is how you change the font size. Font size. This is font size, and we use pixels here. But most of the developer use EM rather than PX for font. Why? Let's read the explanation. This one, because EM allow user to resize the text inside the browser. This is the most recommended one by WTA schools, and 1 EM is equal to current size, the current size of browser. So here, let's explain what it means. 2.5 EM. What it means? It means 2.5 larger percent larger than current font size. Let me change it to 1.8. See? Let me change it to 1. It will be exactly the same size as the browser size. See, this is change. So the paragraph is smaller than the normal size. So let me change it to 3.875. See how the paragraph size change? If I change it to 1, it will be the same font size, the same size as the default size. If I put it to 1.5, it means it's 50% larger than the current size. This is the most used one by developers and also the most recommended one. But if you want to use pixels, there is no issue, you can use pixels also. Also we have font Google, You can use Google API if you don't want to have a standard fonts in HTML. Also, this is a syntax. We will not go in details, but we can put our font properties shorten: font style, variant, weight, line height, and family, all of them in one line. We don't need to write all of them under itself. So here, see the example. Here, class A, this is class A, and this is class B. Here there's CSS. The font size is 20, the family is Arial. Here the font size is 12px, the style is both italic and bold. The style is italic, the font weight is bold. The font family is Georgia, and 30px. What is 30px means? Example here. The line height is 30px. Let me change this one to 20px. Let's see what will happen. The line height change. If I change it to 90px, they get separated from each other. 30 should be fine. This is how you can write all font properties in one line. You don't need to write several lines, and it will be shorten your task and also the line of code of your programming. Thanks.